How to fix the Roblox screen stuck when installing or updating. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Are you randomly getting the Roblox closing or getting stuck while installing or updating issue? In that case, there are two methods that you can try. For method 1, open the Run tab by pressing Windows plus R key. Then after, type in %local app data % in the text box and hit the OK button. This way, it will open File Explorer with the location of the local app data. Scroll down until you find the Roblox folder. If you double tap on the Roblox folder, you will see different kinds of versions there. Tap on the versions folder now. If there are multiple versions folder, then open them one by one until you find the next step. The next step is for the Roblox player launcher. Once you tap on it, it will start the installation. Wait for the process to finish, click on OK, and if you try to open the Roblox player, it should be working. However, if it does not, let's move on to the method 2. For the method 2, you have to open any of your default or the favorite browser, tap on the three dots on the top right corner and go to its settings. After the settings, go to the privacy and security from the left side panel. Then after, you have to click on site settings. Under that, you will see different types of permissions. Make sure the permission is given for Roblox, and if there are any additional settings for the Roblox, make sure to check for it. Now go back to the previous page and then you have to click on recent activities and view permissions. From there, you have to delete the site data and permissions for the Roblox and then run again. Once this is done, you can now try to install the Roblox again and it should probably be working. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.